Hey everyone, I recently just bought this BMW. This car was hit, the front end, right here, as you can see. The car wasn't damaged that badly. The airbag is deployed, the driver airbag is deployed right now. The car won't even attempt to start anymore. It powers up, everything just turns on, except for the engine that won't even attempt to start. Try to start the car right now, but first, that's how it looks from the inside after I took this off, whatever the air thing that goes right here. Trying to reach for the starter over there. Thought about tapping on it to see if the thing would start, and it wouldn't start. So I took off the front end with the bumper, the fan, and whatever the support thing is supposed to go from here all the way down here. That thing was bent. So I'm gonna try to start the car right now. Here's the airbag, it's deployed. The car got a bit of a miles on it. I checked the fuses, all of them, and they all seem like in a good condition. Everything seems to power up, and it's a stick, so
Ideal Image has been in business for over 13 years, and
sorry about that. Okay, clutch is all the way down. Now, just a tick. Won't even attempt to start. I'm gonna try to put the phone on the engine to hear the tick. I'm gonna go in the car and try to start the car right now. Should just hear the tick right now. Yeah, after that tick, the key won't even attempt to try to start the car again. I got all the parts for the car. It's all ready. The rest of the body seems in a good condition, except for the both fenders and the hood. Yeah, it usually looks like that right now. The hit wasn't that bad at all, but the car won't even attempt to start. I heard from someone that I should pull this thing. I got the radiator for the car from a junkyard and stuff, and someone told me there's this green thing I should pull out. I tried pulling it, but it's nothing. The battery's right here. This is my first BMW that I ever get, so I don't really have any experience with them. Please, I'm just trying to seek out some help for the car and just trying to get it started. I'm a college student. I can't really afford to get anyone to help me or bring anyone to just take a look at the car, and I'd appreciate any help that I can get. Thank you very much.